Bonjour, bonsoir, my courtside baddies, because it's one of those somewhere in the world. Hey you guys, it's your girl Nini Court, and I am back with another video. Today I am here with a tutorial on how to make lip glosses. This tutorial will be very beginner friendly and very easy to follow along. I will be doing a voiceover and you will basically just be seeing, like basically from my vision. I just feel like it's going to be easier to follow along if you see exactly what I am seeing through my eyes while you're doing it as well. I do want to note that this formula that I am going to do in this video is not my exact formula for my business. I make a lot more lip glosses than just one or two, and just for example purposes, I just wanted to make one or two lip glosses. The materials that is being used in this video are the exact materials that I use for my business, so you guys don't have to worry about me using something less than or anything like that. Now this is going to be basically a cut and paste type of video where you kind of insert your own Versagel, your own essential oils, your own scents, your own pigments, all of that. Now I do want to let you guys know that you are not going to get this lip gloss perfect on your first try. I don't want you guys to feel bad if it doesn't come exactly how you would like it to. It took me a while in order for me to figure out the exact formula, the exact lip gloss that I like to make, like the consistency, everything. And with every business, it's the same thing. You do have to get nitty and gritty in whatever you do, especially when you're hand making anything. I do want to let you know right now that this is a messy process. Take all the necessary precautions just so you don't get your floor, your table, whatever you're using messed up. Have a lot of gloves, have a lot of napkins, just because it's about to get real. Okay, it's about to get real. Like, this lip gloss making is very fun, I will say, but it's messy. Before we get into this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what else type of videos you want to see in this entrepreneur series from me. Please go ahead and follow all of my social medias. It's going to be down below, and please go ahead and check out my website, which is www.ninisvanite.com. Let's go ahead and get into this video. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and sanitize your working area and line it with any necessary garments to ensure that you don't mess up any of your surfaces. First material that you will need is a mixing bowl. You're going to need your oil, your Versagel, your scented oil, lip gloss tube, pigment, spoon, measuring spoons, your pipette, syringe, tape, and lots of gloves. Now that we have all of our materials, let's go ahead and make our lip glosses. When I make my lip gloss, I find it to be easier to go ahead and mix the oil and pigments first. So right now I have my oil already in the bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and mix my pigment, and I am using light pink for this tutorial. When I was first learning how to make lip gloss, I noticed that a lot of people on YouTube mix the pigment with the Versagel first, and I tried that at first and I noticed it was a lot harder to mix. So I find mixing the oil with the pigment is a lot easier to mix with the Versagel later. So right now, all we're going to do is make sure that there's no grains or any type of lumps in this mixture. Just mix it, mix it, mix it until the pigment and oil just basically come as one. This next step is optional, but I would always recommend. I am using a scented oil just because your lips are close to your nose and generally you want your lips to smell good. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that in my pigment. It's time for your lip gloss base / Versagel. Now I am going to go ahead and use 2 spoons of this Versagel just because I kind of have like a lot of pigment oil, and you generally want to make sure that your ratio is pretty even because you don't want it to be too sticky and too gooey. So your oil to Versagel ratio is extremely important. Now that we have our pigment oil mixed in with our Versagel, we are going to go ahead and mix, mix, mix. You want to mix this to the gods because you want this to be a silky application. You know what I mean? You want this lip gloss to be super smooth. You want it to be something that you want to constantly keep putting on your lips, super moisturizing. Nobody wants that gunky mess. So go ahead and mix, 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 and we are halfway there, y'all. When it comes to making lip gloss, it really does come down to what you like. And in this tutorial, I noticed that my lip gloss was too thick for my liking. So I wanted to thin it out with a little more oil. So when it comes to you making lip gloss, just go ahead and see exactly what consistency you're feeling. If it's too thick, add more oil. If it's too thin, add more Versagel. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix that in, and I came out with the consistency that I love. I'm going to go ahead and give y'all a real nice tip. When you are making a lip gloss, go ahead and write down exactly what you're using and how much of what you're using. That way, when you come out with that perfect formula that you love, you know exactly what you need, exactly how much you need, so you can make a consistent product. Now that my lip gloss is all mixed in and perfect, we're going to go ahead and fill. We are going to cut both sides of this pipette, and we're going to go ahead and tape it to a syringe. Because I am using a longer tube, this little syringe tip is not going to work. So cutting this pipette is your best bet whenever you're using, longer tubes. I'm going to go ahead and tape this, and we're going to go ahead and fill, y'all. When filling your tube, put the pipette all the way down to the bottom of the tube and just start squeezing. Now, in this video, I am going to show you the right and wrong way to fill. In this example, this is the wrong way to fill because I put way too much product in the tube, which is bad because once you put the stopper in, the stopper is going to be filled with excess product. And this is bad because once you put the top on, it's going to pop off. The whole point of the stopper is basically to take off excess product. So if the stopper is not working, this is what you come up with, a hot mess. Now here's the correct way to fill a tube. You are going to put the syringe all the way down to the bottom of the tube. You are going to squeeze the syringe so that the product can come out, and you are going to leave a great amount of space so that you don't have to worry about any type of product going into the stopper. Now with this example, you see that there is no excess product going into the stopper, which is its purpose. Now you're going to go ahead and put on your lid, and you see that it's not coming off. You can go ahead and twist and turn how much you want, and there's nothing coming out, which is great. That is the whole point of the stopper. If you guys got this far, I'm just letting you guys know right now, you need to pat yourself on the back because y'all made it. Y'all made y'all first lip gloss. Y'all made it perfectly. And if it's not perfect, don't even worry about it. You can do it again and just act like it's perfect. But yeah, you guys, we have made our lip gloss and it is now done. So today we went ahead and made some lip glosses. This is my first tutorial on my business entrepreneur series type thing. Let me know down below in the comment section if you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow along. Alright you guys, we are all done making our lip glosses for the day. Like I said in the beginning, this is for example purposes only. This is not my actual formula for my lip glosses for my business, but this is just the rundown of exactly how I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and please go ahead and visit my website at www.ninisvanite.com and check out my Boss Gloss collection and my Luxe Lashes collection, and tag me on your posts when you do wear my products so you guys could be featured on my page. I'm gonna show you guys one more time exactly what we made today. We made this pink, you know, very cute, very girly. If you guys have any suggestions of videos that you guys would like to see from me, go ahead and comment down below just so I could get, you know, a feel of what you guys want from me, what you guys want to see from me. I am a beginner. I am just learning, so I am not perfect. I am not established just yet, but I will be in the near future, and I hope you are established as well. Good luck with your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.